In the equity quadrant, taking a look at the September NASDAQ futures, in which the rally continued today. The NASDAQ is up 2 sessions in a row and 4 of the last 5 sessions. Also, if the week were to end today, this would be the 3rd up week in the last 6, but not just that. The total rally from the lows since mid-June would be about 12.6%. So that 3 weeks up, 3 weeks down, a lot of times you see that even. Well, obviously that's not the case here. The 3 weeks up were surprisingly much stronger than the 3 weeks down, puts us up, if we were to end today, about 12.6% in the last 6 weeks on the NASDAQ. Now, overall, the low today was only down about 1/3%, 12,235.75. And then the high today, 12,517.50, up just short of 2%. And we settled up a little bit more than 1.5%. Now, earnings so far have been okay. IBM released yesterday. They released pretty strong numbers overall, but they guided a little bit lower. They talked about the cost of employees in their consulting business, so a little bit of wage inflation working into their future outlook. So the stock actually ended up lower. And then Netflix released earlier, and then we also had their stock up a little bit. They had a little bit different results. That was yesterday after the close, and their results kind of pointed to a less worse expectation because their subscriber losses were not as low as they had originally anticipated. Tesla released after the close today, very strong numbers out of Tesla, and the stock, at least so far, was up about 4% after hours today. So the futures didn't really move much off of just that one stock, but it tells you that tech earnings may not be as bad as thought. And then Google actually announced a 2-week hiring freeze. So overall, the tech situation is still kind of in flux, but that hasn't stopped the NASDAQ from rallying this week as well as over the last 6 weeks, like I just mentioned.